Daddy James. Computer tutorials.
Hello and welcome to another Daddy James Films computer tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up some basic home networking. For example, if you have one computer with a very large hard drive or something like that you put all your files in, like your music, your videos, images, documents, and you want to be able to share them with the other computers in your house without having to transfer them all over to those computers. Or if you want to go ahead and share like your video, your music, or your pictures to like your Xbox 360 or your PlayStation 3 consoles. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to hook those up and hook up the other computers onto one network. Also, with doing this, you can also hook up one printer to work with all the computers in your household without having to buy multiple printers. Okay, by the way, this method works with Vista and Windows 7. XP, you can do it with XP as well, but it's a little bit more different, and sometimes the XP it's not too compatible with Vista and 7 on the networks, but you can still do it. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and go to Start, and then go up to Computer and right click on it. Then go to Properties. Then we're going to go to Advanced System Settings, and then you're going to go to Computer Name. Okay, once you're in the computer name, you're going to go down to where it says Workgroup. Now the Workgroup automatically is going to have a certain name, I forgot what it is, but we're going to go ahead and change that. Now to change it, you need to go down a little bit more to where it says Change At, and we're going to click on that button. Okay, from there you should see the computer name and see the members of it, which is the Workgroup, and this is where you can go ahead and change the Workgroup. And you can change it to whatever you want. Then click OK, and then it's going to say that it needs to restart, and then you click OK again, and then your computer is going to go ahead and restart. While that's restarting, you go to your other computers that you have on your network and change those workgroup names to the same thing. And then once you do that, what you're going to do, you need to go to your network and sharing centers. Now there's a couple ways you can do it. One, you can go to Start, Control Panel, and when you're in Control Panel, hit Network and Internet Settings, and then Network and Sharing Center. Okay, now if you're on Vista, I'll show you how to do it on Vista, because Vista is a little different when you get to the Network and Sharing Center. Now this is basically, I'm sorry if it looks a little blurry and stuff, but I had to get a picture because I no longer have a Windows 7 computer. But this is basically what Windows 7 is going to look like. And when you're on Windows 7, you need to go ahead and set the file sharing to on. If you want your public folders to be shared, click that on. Printer sharing, if you want more than one computer to be shared on that network, you click on. And password protected sharing, you want to make sure that's on. And media sharing, if you wanted to share your media with like your Xbox and stuff like that. And I believe that's just about it for Windows Vista. Now with Windows 7, normally when you connect to a network for the first time, it's going to ask you to join a home group, and it's going to look something like this, and you go ahead and correct now and follow the instructions. It's going to give you a password that you need to put in with the other computers. Now with the other computers, I think you'll get this right here when you go where it's going to say, do you want to join a home group, and you just click join now and enter in the password and stuff. And I believe that's how you do it with Windows 7. Me, I always did it the hard way because that's the way I like doing it. Okay, now we're back in the Windows 7 home group, network and sharing, and on here we can go into Home Network and click on Home Network. Now from here you can go ahead and view or change your home networking. Basically I'm showing you this for, let's say if you're having some problems and things are not working right. This is basically the hard way to getting it done. Anyways, from here you can check and make sure everything's checked that you want to be checked. Right here you want to make sure this is checked. Stream my pictures, music, videos, and all the devices on a home network. And then you can choose your media streaming options. On here you should see all the computers and systems that's on your networking, including your Xbox and your PlayStation, and any other computers that might be on your network. and that are on currently. Now, if your other computers are turned off, it's not going to show on here. You need to make sure all your computers and stuff like that is on. Now, from here, you can customize what you want to share to each computer or gaming console. Let's say we hit customize. Okay, on here it's showing everything that's going to be shared. Now, originally it's going to be on default settings. If you want to change that, just uncheck that, and then uncheck whatever you don't want to share. Oh, I forgot to say, let's say you don't get this on your other computers. Well, basically, and I'm sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. Basically, what you're going to do is going to go back to your Windows 7 Networking Sharing Center. Now, when you're right here, it might ask you to join a home group. You just click on that, and then it's going to ask for the password and stuff. If you don't know the password, then click on Home Network. Then click on Home Network again, and then Home and change settings. And then you should get this to pop up right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and make sure this is checked. You need a password in order to join the group. Okay, to get the password in this section right here, all you have to do is click right here where it says View or Print Home Group Password. And there you go, it should be right there. Basically, me showing you this is how to show you how to find your password for your other computers to join the network. Again, sorry if I'm kind of all over the place here. Hopefully what I'm showing you here is going to help you out so that you'll be able to do that. Oh, almost forgot. To make a folder shareable, you got to share that folder in order for the other computers to be able to look in those folders. So let's say I have a sample folder here, and I'm going to go ahead and make that shareable so that the other computers can get stuff out of that folder. So what you do, you go to that folder, right click, go to Properties. While you're in Properties, go to the Sharing tab. Now you can click right here to share, and then click Share, and then Done. Also, I suggest you go ahead and go to Advanced Sharing and check Share, and then Permissions. You can choose whether you want it to have full control, change, read. Then you hit Apply, then OK, then OK, and then Close. And then whenever you want to go look for the folders, go to Start, and then go to Network. Now, if you don't have network there, just right click on the Start menu, go to Properties, and then Start Menu tab, Customize, then look for Network, and then put a check on Network. Hit OK. Okay, and it should be on your Start window. Just click on that, and then find a PC, and it might ask you to put in a password and stuff. So put in your password. Once you put that in, you should be able to find your folder in the network folders here. As you can see, I have plenty of shared folders. And if you want, you can go ahead and make a shortcut to that computer on your desktop. Just right click on it and click on Create Shortcut, and it'll create a shortcut on your desk. And it'll create a shortcut on your desktop, so that'd be easy for you to get to. Now let's go ahead and go over to the gaming consoles. I'm actually just going to show you images. I'm not going to actually show you the gaming console itself. So let's go ahead and start with the Xbox. Well, let's go ahead and start with the PlayStation 3. Now, when you're on your PlayStation 3, you're on the PlayStation 3 dashboard. In order to see the videos, you need to go to Video, and then go down to where your computer is, your computer's name, and you should be able to see all the videos on that computer. Now, for the Xbox 360. All you have to do is when you're on the dashboard is go to Video or Music or Pictures. Same thing for the PlayStation 3 as well. I'm sorry I didn't tell you that. And you just click on there and then find your computer. Click on the computer and you should be able to find all the videos that's on there. Same thing with Music and Pictures. Now there is another way you can hook up your Xbox 360 to your computer as far as getting media files and stuff, is using Windows Media Center. That's okay to use, but frankly, it doesn't do a very good job, and I don't like it, and I don't like how it sets up and everything. It just takes too long. My method is a lot more quicker. But anyways, if you want to do that, your computer has to have Windows Media Center, and of course Xbox already has it. So, just click on the Media Center, and it'll take you step by step on how to do that. Anyways, that's it for this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.